Hello again, a new day, a new project. And you see, I was trying to have a second monitor. Unfortunately, this model, except the point that it have really nice colors and definition also pretty okay. It have a old CCFL fluorescent light. That one, it's pretty old and rusty, I may say. So the image is not bright. Brightness on max. Everything on max up here. And let's have a... Oh man, it's so awful. You know, the monitor, it's upside down. I need something white, you know, so I'm opening a Word page like this. You see, this is the maximum lighting I can get. So let's measure this guy. We have a lux meter here, 100 and I think it's 53. Let's remember that. Next, nothing to do, but let's open the monitor. So this plastic was opened. Brute force is not always working. I need a plectrum like that. Insert it vertically to open the clips. The plastic clips. Okay? So somehow this is vertically, you know, usually are going horizontally, but this is vertically. So it's kind of upside down, let's call it. I think I'm gonna take that out because I need the commands. We have to search for some things before. Another one here in the middle. And the frame, it's out. Okay, so the electronic is just kept in place by this plastic panel. And here we have the CFL output, obviously. I need to open the electronics because I need some voltages, first of all, for having the LEDs supplied, and also I need some voltages about light on and luminosity or the intensity of the light. I had to put an extension here because you know, these two lamps are in series somehow, so I couldn't get any other way to have them light. Now I have access and I can see in this mirror up here the menu, and all I want to do is to check the voltages. Okay, so this is ground and we have 13 contacts there. So number 1, 5.18. Let me write these things down. Number 1 goes to 5.1 volts. 3.15.1. Next 5, 6 is ground, 7, 8, nothing, 9, 12 volts, okay. 13, 0, 0, 4, 12, 3.03, 11, 4 point, number 10, 9, yeah, very clear. So let's pay attention to number 1, let's say. Okay, screen off. What we got here? Yes, 5, but nothing on pin 2. Okay, that's promising. Yes, we have 4 there, and 12, 0. Okay. Number 2 or number 12, which of them it's responsible for the brightness? How can we see that? The screen is on 12. We have 3.03. Let me go to brightness, half of the brightness. Let's see what we got on number 12. Yeah, this is the brightness, 150, yeah, and if we go up, yes, the brightness goes up, and this is, alright, very clear. Number 12, it's brightness. Okay, and probably number 2, light on, enable. The most important is number 12 with that brightness control. Nice. We can turn this off. No, we don't need this guy anymore for now. let's go to the next phase, and we have to open this guy. How can we do that? Maybe we can do it from here. I think so. Let me have this metal. Okay. Maybe we should take this out too. The lamps are down here. So we have to open this sandwich. I think so. All of it. Careful with this, because it's a mess. Okay, back to you. I don't think it's so complicated. Things are simpler than we think sometimes. Yeah, like I said, let me have some marks here. But maybe we can take all of this. All right. That's the panel. Yeah. Be really, 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 really careful with this guy. Wow, look here. We don't have to dismantle everything. Nice. This is cool. Come on out. Yeah. Beautiful. Clever. Very clever. Let's take the CCFL lamps out, but we have to keep that plastic support. That's number one. Tube. We need those to spread the light. Alright, so we have to be careful about the position. Anyway, it's a huge discovery, you know, we just need to slide the lamps out and replace them with new ones. Nice. This should go like that. You see? Do we have any double tape? No double tape? Okay, perfect length. Do we need double tape? Yeah, I think so. It could be interesting to have some double tape from the factory. Make life much more easy. But shouldn't be a problem. This is more than enough. This is ready. Let's see. Okay, tube number one in place. This is very nice, you know, I didn't know about that, so it was just a hint, you know, it was a blink. Beautiful. Perfect. I can see the spot here. This have to be really, really, really clean, because it's exactly under the LCD and everything will be visible. Okay, I believe this is down here. Perfect. So, we are good to go. Pretty easy job. Do you know why? Because those lamps could be easily replaced without getting the whole sandwich out. So I believe enable on. I'm gonna cut the PCB here. I'm gonna have the signal straight from the command to LED power supply. So that means the high voltage CFL, it's not working anymore. So I'm just cutting this PCB here. Okay, let's see if my theory is good. Take care with these stuffs because they can be loaded. Those capacitors, they are not forgiving. And I said number 12 dim, it's for dimming. And then we have the power supply on pin 6, I believe. Okay, so I'm pretty sure black it's ground and red it's plus. Very nice. Super. Now let me determine the other guys. People, be real careful. Everything is upside down here. So, in fact, red, it's ground. Is it? Very, very careful. I'm not sure if it's done on purpose, but it's the all way upside down. So, plus. I mean red, which usually is plus. In fact, it's, you see? It's ground. Well, I hate this. This is so damn stupid. How could they do that? We are good. Be really careful and check this before anything. Alright? Yeah, we got light. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So everything is in place. Pin number 2 from the connector, it's applying enable on, and pin 12 it's brightness on or dim on. Yes, we have light. Perfect. But of course I need it upside down. Yeah, you see guys, it took so long because I never did that before. Come on up. Why? There we go. Yes! Nice. It's working. Some white stuff. Is it clean? Yes, it's perfect. Now, let's see if we have commands. Okay. Brightness. Yeah. It's working. Yeah. Brightness, it's all the other way. When I'm getting to 0, in fact, this one is getting to full power or full light. Well, it's not such a great gradually brightness, you know, on and off, but I'm really happy. Look at this guy now. Contrast down. Okay, that's how it's working now. The contrast, it's the brightness, and the other way around. Okay, let's see something with a real image. Oh yeah, it's a huge difference. Absolutely yes. And what about let me see, full brightness? No, the other way around. That's the contrast now. Yeah, so this is the maximum I can get from this picture, and I have something else to do now. Let's measure. Okay, stop here. Do you remember we measured the light before? Now let's see what we got here. Recording. I'm doing that because the cam is the front camera and I can 257, of course. Well, that's it for today. That's a fix. Really nice image, really nice luminosity, contrast, and everything is working as it should, you know. The level up and all those filters, warm, cold, and so on. It's a huge upgrade. I may say I'm satisfied. Well, like always, please subscribe, please like, be creative, and of course, don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.